Assalamu alaikum. It has been years in the making. The Mainstay Foundation is proud to announce a one-of-a-kind national Muharram program titled Experience Muharram.
Hosted in the heart of Dearborn, Michigan in a state-of-the-art facility and streamed globally from July 18th to the 28th, Experience Muharram is a unique convention-style experience for Muslim families.
Over the course of 10 days and with programming around the clock from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Experience Muharram will provide a rich educational, spiritual, and social experience for all members of the family.
Featuring renowned speakers, reciters, and community influencers, the lectures, workshops, majalis, latmiyat, and various activities aim to bring our community from across the country together and connect us all to the timeless message of Imam Husayn alayhi salam.
Join this community and experience Muharram with us this year like you've never before.
Here is a sneak peek into the experience that will inspire us all.
يا زهراء ما ننسى حسينا أبد والله يا زهراء ما ننسى حسينا عشق الكبار لأبو الأكبر حياة وموت وياه
البشر عدها العشق ويا الوقت تلقاه عادة وانا حب الحسيني يختلف لأنه عبادة نشأ لحمي وكبر فهمي على حبه من الولادة عبر اسمه على سمع وبدأت اتهجى اسمه حسين وحاشا لا والله تشابه اسمك